One of the number one questions that I get when it comes to selling digital products is where do I sell them and how do I sell them so that I actually make money? So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step 3 different ways that you can sell your digital products right on Facebook. Now, Facebook can be a good opportunity because there are millions and billions of users that are actively on the platform every single day, but make sure that you watch this video to learn the right way and the wrong way to promote your digital product on Facebook. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want a step-by-step guide to create and sell your first digital product, go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com. On that website, you'll get an ebook and you'll actually get step-by-step instructions how to create and sell your first digital product in 10 days. Hello. I'm Alston with AlstonGodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Can you sell digital products on Facebook? Yes and no. There are a few places you can sell them and some places that you can't, or it will be a little bit challenging. The first place I want to bring you to, if you look at my screen here, is if you look on my screen, you cannot sell any digital products on the Facebook Marketplace. I'm here at the Facebook Policy Center, and I'm looking at e-commerce. So this is the Facebook Marketplace information. It has a list of prohibited items, and one of those items is actually digital products. So as you can see here, number 22, listings may not promote the buying or selling of downloadable digital content, digital subscriptions, and digital accounts. So as you can see, you can't sell on the Facebook Marketplace. What some people will try and do is they'll try and sell a physical product that has a digital component to it, just so that they can kind of skirt around those rules. But you want to make sure that you stay in compliance as much as possible when it comes to these platforms, because they can and ultimately kick you off without any recourse. So you cannot promote products on Facebook Marketplace. What you can do, but I recommend that you don't, is you don't promote to your friends and family. One of the biggest frustrations as an internet marketer is when you try and promote your product that you love and you are passionate about to your friends and family, because ultimately, unfortunately, most of them aren't going to buy. Most of them aren't going to see your vision, and so it can be an incredibly frustrating experience if you try and sell anything to your friends and family, because most of them just won't buy it. Now, let's take a look at some places where you can actually sell your product and make money. One of the best places to sell your digital product is simply with a Facebook group. And the reason why Facebook groups are so powerful, in my opinion, because they are basically Facebook ads without having to pay for ads. Now, let me explain exactly what I mean. What you're going to do is you're going to create a group, and creating a group is really easy. You just go up to create and go down to groups. But you can create a group about anything. And what I recommend that you do is create a group for your niche, your target audience. And when you do that, let me just take a look at the small business owner group. And what you can do is you can create this group and make sure that it's keyword rich. So you want to make sure that you include the keywords that are relevant to your digital product, make it keyword rich. And then as you can see here at the top of the screen, I have my digital product pinned to the top. I have one of my digital products, I should say, pinned to the top of this group. And so anytime someone comes back to this group, they'll see the digital product and they will buy. And to get started with a Facebook group, it can be a little frustrating in the beginning. What I recommend that you do is you upload maybe 3 or 4 times per day. The cool thing with Facebook is it allows you to schedule them. There's also scheduling software out there that you can use. To get started, find different tips and tricks for your niche around the internet, turn those into images, and then upload images. Another way that you can get started is simply uploading vertical style videos. When I really grew my group, let me show you my other group. When I really grew my other group, it was because I was repurposing and uploading TikTok videos to my group. About a year ago, I got really serious with this affiliate marketing group, one of the groups that I manage. And I just, whenever I uploaded a TikTok video, I would come into Facebook and upload the video at the exact same time, and my group really exploded. So one of the things that I recommend is upload images, as you can see here, and then upload video as well. You'll also grow faster if you go live once or twice a week. But as you can see here, these are all TikTok videos that I just repurposed, and I made passive income just simply, or I grew my group really fast, just simply uploading content over and over again. So I certainly recommend those 2 ways to grow fast. Upload videos, and if we go back over to my photos, upload videos and photos. And these are all different tips and tricks that you can find around the internet regarding your niche. So Facebook group is number 1. Another thing that you can do is you can actually go live on Facebook. What I'd recommend that you do is you get a business page and you should have one anyway if you're going to do Facebook ads, go live on your business page. Facebook really pushes whenever someone goes live. You can go live and then maybe even spend a few dollars promoting that live. And when you go live, share tips and tricks within your niche. You could even really just share excerpts of your ebook if you have an ebook, or if you're doing a podcast or some sort of video training or course, you can share tips and tricks. For example, I just created a course on affiliate marketing. I could go live every day or every other day on Facebook and basically just teach a portion of my course. And eventually, Facebook will push your videos out to more and more people, and then people are going to come back, they're going to see your content, and they're going to check out the page that you recommend. Now, what I recommend that you do is include a link to your digital product in the description of the video, and people are going to naturally click on it. The other cool thing with the video is people will discover your video over time. One of the weird phenomenons that I've had recently is people are finding my uploads from a year ago, and they're now following me, and they're following my business page. So don't be afraid to upload. And even if no one's watching, the videos will stay on Facebook forever, and people will discover them over time. So going live on your business page is another good opportunity. And of course, the final way is simply to create a Facebook ad. Now, I do have a complete video on selling digital products with Facebook ads. I'll link that in the description, and I'll maybe put an image right here. But the cool thing with Facebook ads is you can target the exact people that you're interested in. You can target them based on their interest. You can target them based on things that they've liked in the past. You can target by demographic. You can even target by household income. Not a lot of people know that, but if you want to target people that only have a household income of the top 5%, there are a few different ways to do that. But there is a number of opportunities with Facebook ads. And you can start with as little as $5 per day to start making some money and see if it even works. Now, a cool thing with Facebook ads is you can run multiple ad sets. And so you can have a few ads that are just images, a few ads that are video, and a few ads that are text, and see which one works best. So there are 3 ways that you can make money with Facebook ads, and I'll just recap them. You can do Facebook groups, which I like is because it's like running Facebook paid ads without actually paying for ads. You can go live on your Facebook business page, and then if you wanted to, you can promote that. As you can see here, I have this little promote button, and you can promote for as little as $1 or $2 per day. And then another way is simply to just run Facebook ads. And again, I do have a full-length video. I think it's a 20-minute video where I show you step-by-step how to create a Facebook ad for your digital product. And remember, make sure that you do not sell on the Facebook Marketplace, and don't try and sell to your friends and family. That's always a difficult sell. Now that you know 3 different ways to promote your digital product over on Facebook, click the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com if you want to learn how to create and sell your first digital product step by step. When you go over to that website, you'll learn exactly what the book is all about, how to get started, and more. So go to the first link in the description or go to the 10daybusinessblueprint.com. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to learn how to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.